Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two remote desktop platform, which is TeamViewer and ISL Online. So to get started with a quick analysis, TeamViewer in 2025 is still one of the most popular remote desktop pro tools, known for its smooth interface, quick setup, and its support for multiple platforms like Windows, macOS, Linux, iOS, and Android. It's great for personal use and small businesses, but it can get expensive for commercial use, and some users mention lag during high traffic times or a weaker network. So, on the other hand, ISL Online offer a more budgeting friendly and privacy focused alternative. It's especially popular in Europe thanks to the strong data protection, compliance, and self-hosting option. While it may lack some of the advanced branding or interface publish of TeamViewer, it delivers a solid performance even on a slow connection, and offer unlimited installation under a single license. And here's a very conclusion about these two platforms to you decide. So go with TeamViewer if you want a polished all-in-one solution with a global brand trust, and pick ISL Online if you want a more affordable, secure, and customizable remote access tools, especially if you care about privacy or hosting data in your own infrastructure. And that's it.